What's up, guys? We're back with the Cryptex, the best way to give cash this holiday season. It's a free download. Check the bio for links. In this video, we're going to go through how this thing works, how to set it up on your build plate, and then how to assemble it so you can give it as a gift this year.
This is the Cryptex. It's a combination lock with a tube to hide some kind of treasure or valuables. So we've got this guy that is the treasure tube. So whatever you're storing in here goes inside of this hole. And then this is held in by these 4 dials. And the dials work like this. Inside of the dial is a lock ring, and the lock ring has a notch in it, and that's aligned with a number. Now, when the notch is positioned correctly, it allows this rib on the treasure tube to pass through. When you get all 4 of the numbers in the right place, you've got a path for this thing to pull out. And if even one of them's out of place, then you're going to run into this wall, and this is going to collide, and you won't be able to take the tube out. So there's 4 of them. Each one has a lock ring in it. You can set the combination yourself. The notch is adjustable, so you pop the lock ring out and align it with the numbers you want. Line them up like this for your code. Inside of it, to hold the end on, there's a twist lock feature. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to connect 2 things, but these 2 tabs on the white tube go in through 2 slots, and then they twist about 90 degrees and lock into place. And then if we bring the treasure tube in, we can see that when the treasure tube is inserted, this can't be turned because this rib goes right into this notch. So it's only when the treasure tube is removed that you can disassemble it. And that gives you the security to know that the only way to open this thing is to get the right combination. This is how your print bed should look. We need 4 of the number rollers, 4 of the lock rings, then 1 end cap, 1 treasure tube, and 1 roller tube. Now we want to set them up like this on the bed because this will allow us to print without support. These lock rings all have a 45-degree angle on them so that we can print that as an overhang. We don't need support underneath it. The numbers print just fine on the side. They're not very deep, and they come out very legible for me. The end cap, again, is made with all 45-degree angles so that we can print the overhangs and not need support down inside of there. Same thing on the treasure tube. All of these notches are cut with 45-degree angles so that they can be printed as overhangs, along with the bottom gem shape, I guess. And then, once again, taking advantage of overhangs, we can print this piece without support as long as we arrange it flange down. So these are the parts that you're going to want to print, and you want to set them up like this so that we can print really nice parts without any nasty support interface surfaces.
Here are the parts we needed to print. We need to first come up with the combination for our Cryptex. So we're going to set it to 1, 2, 2, 5. Now, the colors don't matter. You set this up how you want. The number needs to line up with the notch. So we're going to do the 1 with this notch, push them together till they're all the way down, and then drop them over this piece. And then the 2. It's important to make sure that your numbers are all right side up as you do this. This is another 2, and then a 5. So now, we're going to find this line. And then there's a line on this. And we're going to line them up. You've got to twist this towards you, and then it'll twist and snap into place. So this is the line where we line up our code. So 1, 2, 2, 5. And then we put our treasure tube in like that. And just mix these up, and it doesn't come apart. This treasure tube actually has a spot on it that keeps the end from twisting off, so you can't just disassemble it. So this part goes right into here, and that's why you can't just take this off while without the combination. So when it's apart, you can disassemble it, snap this in place, but when we get into here, now it won't twist. So that wraps up the Cryptex. Go download it for free. Check the bio for the links. so you can print it at home and give it as a gift this year. Be sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments if you have any ideas for future videos, and please upload your makes when you print this thing. It's our favorite part, seeing it in the wild when you guys actually make it. Hope you guys enjoy.